trip.
Oh?
Yeah, sure. Don't go right behind you. It's gonna be loud.
Yep.
There.
I know.
I got a little windy.
That's the rudder, not the flap.
Cover your ears.
That's the rudder.
Rudder?
Flaps don't.
Are they gonna fly it?
Yes.
Wow. Good thing I got my camera up.
Ooh, that's an F-1. It's a big F-1.
Hey, put on your shoe. Huh?
Okay. Can we stand here? నువ్వు ఎక్కుతావా లోపలికినావా నేనే నేను ఎక్కితే మొత్తం పడిపోద్ది
Okay, Jay, do you want to go over on this side over here? Come over here. Come here, Jazzy. Come here. Quick. Go over here. There's a good spot. Right here.
Yeah,
Sorry.
absolutely right.
There we go. Look at that. Everybody's over there. We're just going to be over here. This is going to be awesome.
Sit down.
So this is probably going to be a little bit noisy.
Want to sit beside you?
Yeah, sure. Come on.
When is it gonna? Oh, sorry.
As soon as he gets all his equipment on. Okay, I understand that. You just ate a bagel. You're not hungry. You're being bored. And you say you're hungry when you're bored. I have water in the car. We'll get it when we're done watching this plane take off. Okay?
Yep.
Then could we go home?
We'll figure what we're doing after this, okay? Just stop bugging. Okay? You're trying to enjoy this. Come sit. Don't stand there with us. Get ready to cover your ears. Here comes another plane in, dude.
Ugh.
That's so big.
I know, Jasmine, because planes are big. Look at that. And blast off,
Get
Jasmine.
ready to cover your ears.
Get ready.
Ready? It's going to be loud, buddy.
I'm recording.
Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Looks like Barry's having a good time.
Yes.
I should get some earmuffs that I could bring.
How is everything with you?
Why is there a fire extinguisher?
Ready?
Why is there a fire extinguisher? Why does it look so slow on a mobile device? Then why does it look so slow on a mobile device? The propeller looks so slow on the mobile device.